You will not even realize कि ये खुशी के आंसू हमारे आंख में आ कैसे गए. हम तो बहुत एक साधारण सी just a simple love story देख रहे हैं हम.
सलमान, ऑन लोकेशंस अगर कुछ ऐसा वाकया हुआ जो आप शेयर करना चाहें, क्योंकि काफ़ी अरसे बाद आप सूरज जी के साथ काम कर रहे थे.
The most beautiful thing in this movie was Suraj Babu used to come and wake me up in the morning. Get up, have your breakfast. This is the scene. This is the scene. There's one Prem, there's one Vijay, there's one Maithili. यहाँ से शुरू होता था. This is one. Second one, third scene. These three we're not doing today. This is the one. Fourth one we are doing today. So that is how you will see me so much in character throughout the film, because every day Sonam, me, everyone had Suraj's personal attention. Even the small actors, the junior artists, they were all explained each and every scene. From the DOP to the action director to the song directors, even if they come in for one song, he has narrated the whole subject to them. So now when Suraj narrates, he doesn't look at anything. Right from Maine Pyar Kiya, he knows the whole script by heart, from the titles to the songs. He will sing the songs to you with the lyrics. He will describe in the songs कि इस टाइप के मूवमेंट होने वाले हैं, ये montages आएंगे, ये BGM होगा, this is the interval point, this is, and the action also he'll explain to you कि इस action के behind क्या है. With every scene will come कि Salman bhai, when my father, one day my son Avnish, one day Vinita, my wife, one day my mother. So there is everything that is somewhere related to the family. He has always worked कि मेरे घर में ये हुआ है, मेरे आंट के घर में ये मैंने देखा है, ये मैंने सुना है, so it all comes through real life. That is the most beautiful quality about any of Suraj's films. इसमें कोई आप देखोगे तो इसमें कोई ऐसे कुछ सीन्स आपको नहीं दिखाई देंगे. आपको ह्यूमर दिखाई देगा, आपको रोमांस दिखाई देगा, लेकिन आप ये पिन पॉइंट नहीं करके बोलोगे कि वाह क्या सीन है. But then when the emotion takes over, you will not even realize कि ये खुशी के आंसू हमारे आंख में आ कैसे गए. हम तो बहुत एक साधारण सी just a simple love story देख रहे हैं हम. ना इसमें कोई स्मूचिंग है, ना इसमें कोई एक्सपोजर है, कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just girl, boy. It's just family. And suddenly you get drawn into this. That is because of the references from real life, that pureness of the heart, the simplicity. हम सब complicated होते जाते हैं as we grow. This is one man who is getting simpler and simpler and simpler. जितना जितना दिमाग आता है हमको, हम कॉम्प्लिकेट करते हैं. दिमाग इसलिए दिया गया है कि कॉम्प्लिकेशंस को सॉल्व करो. हम लोग उल्टा ही कर रहे हैं. हम लोग सिंपल लाइफ को कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कर रहे हैं. ही इज गॉट इट वेरी करेक्ट. ही इज कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लाइफ को हम सिंपल कर रहे हैं. तो व्हेन यू सी हिज फिल्म्स, यू जस्ट देखते 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 जस्ट get into it. And that is the reason why you see most of the kids, the youth, they love it because they relate to it. There's a very childlike quality in the films that we've done together. In fact, all his films. And then it touches you. That at that age of, your parents, your brother, your sister, बाद में जाके प्रॉब्लम शुरू हो जाते हैं. But that early age, that is tapped by him.
Hi Salman, I'm from the Bus Diary. My question is actually to the both of you. When you look back at your time when you guys started together, what is the first thought that comes into your mind? How happy you guys are, or there's some point in between your journey that you want to change कि ये अच्छा होता और हम कुछ अलग कर सकते, or you want to explore some more?
Yesterday we did that small thing. यहीं पे किया था अपन ने, महबूब में ही किया था. I was sitting right beside Suraj Babu, and Sonam was sitting right next to me. In the end came Deep Rana. Deep Rana had also tested for Maine Pyar Kiya. Just imagine if he would have taken Deep Rana in the movie as Prem, I would have been standing there somewhere. So that one decision of casting somebody can turn somebody's whole life around. So whenever you take that decision, you recommend somebody, you need to be 100% sure. Because you're changing one life and you're not changing the other.
So you stay so busy. How you guys manage time together, fun time, or that friend thing?
Our timings don't match only.
Don't match.
But Surajji, would you have wished to have made more films with him?
You've seen that movie Lady Hawk? देखिए, on that wolf and that hawk. There's a film that we saw a very long time ago called Lady Hawk. There's a curse on this couple that the man will be a man in the day and the girl will be a hawk, and he will be a wolf when she is the woman in the night. So this is all sunrise, sunset.
So
by the time he goes to sleep, I start waking up.
Suraj sir, over here. So usually
Well, I have to tell you one superb sequence. So all the Eid parties and all the stuff, he's always there. So now he'll come in. So this is right after Hum Saath Saath Hain. Hum Saath Saath Hain, came and became a big hit, and so now there's a party in Galaxy Apartments. Suraj Babu walks in at about 10:30, 11. He comes out. So Ketan Desai is standing with me. This is Suraj Barjatia. So yeah, so I did that. So Suraj, he came like that. Yeah. He came. I think Raj Babu has lied to him. So I said, what? No, I have a feeling, Salman, Raj Babu has lied to Suraj कि मैंने प्यार किया was a flop, हम आपके हैं कौन was a flop, and हम साथ साथ हैं is a flop. That you have destroyed Rajshri, you made 3 flops. That's why he said, look at the man, look at the way he's coming. This is not the body language of one of the greatest directors of Hindi cinema. That's what do you want to do? See, if I was him, I'd have come in boots, underwear, tie, and with a sword in my hand. Died laughing. I have died laughing. I said, how can you say? As soon as he walked, I said, this is what he had to say about you.
Hi Suraj sir, over here. So usually advance booking for the films open 3 days before the release, but this is one of those rare films wherein you have opened it 5 days. So what was the reason for the same?
One is opened by mistake also, no?
By mistake, in Chennai, they were to open Kamal sir's film, हमारी खोल दी गलती से 1 घंटे के लिए तो बुक हो गए टिकट्स तो बंद किया. No, the reason essentially is because it is Diwali time and we really want a lot of families to come together. तो कई बार ऐसे सुनने में आता है कि नहीं टिकट नहीं है साथ में जाना. वी वांट चॉइस सीट्स, वी वांट टू टेक एवरीवन, स्पेशली एल्डर्स के लिए इट इज लॉट टू क्लाइम अप. सो वी ओपनड पहले सो दैट एक्चुअली ग्रुप्स कैन कम, दे कैन टेक देयर ओन सीट, दे कैन टेक देयर ओन चॉइसेस. सो दैट वाज अ डिसीजन.
And so, you must have kept special screenings of the film for family and friends. So what is the best compliment which you have got so far for the film?
We've compliments. Actually, I really don't know because we've had our trials, we've had our reactions, we have made changes accordingly because trials we keep having full every time. But the greatest compliment that I can have is that whoever comes to see the film says, can I come again to show to my mother, my grandmother, my grandfather? So that shows that there is that merit which I want in the film.
Suraj sir, there were some reports of censor board objecting to few words, which we were quite surprised, So is it true? I mean, 3 words or so, there were some objections. Did it happen?
Yeah, that is true. There was some objection, but there was nothing out of box. It is in context of the picture, which easily we removed. So there was no...
But were you did you agree with it? Because
of course. No, I agreed because actually they were they're not affecting the story.
Okay.
So it was easily removed. We were prepared also.
What was that song? In the song only it was there, no? How does it go? Huh?
No, in the song we have a Ram Leela song. Usme there were certain parodies of films. So we were told we should not keep. So we removed. It became
What was-
much more neat.
How did from the song it moved into the parody? How did it
Now
go?
he wants me to sing. No, no.
Arey, listen na. Arey, but
Suraj
narrate
ji
that
gaye.
to me na. Narrate it to me.
Let's
na,
all
so
clap
we-
for Suraj ji and we can hear him sing.
You clap, you not do it. Just narrate that to me na. From that.
No, his introduction starts first with Nach Meri Bulbul. It starts with that. And then, of course, it goes to Hone de aaj halla, dekhe gali mohalla, चाहत के माथे चंदन का टीका है राम सीता इसमें शर्मो हया की रस्में जिनमें मोहब्बतों का तरीका सीखेगी छोरी और सीखेगा छबीला राम सिया की देखो निराली प्रेम लीला सो उसमें नाच मेरी बुलबुल दैट वी हैड टू रिमूव
So
he
then,
made me sing.
yeah, from there, so it was a parody. From there, it goes into Nach Meri Bulbul, then it goes into another one as well, no?
मार दिया जाए छोड़ दिया जाए सो
अब वो आप सेंसर बोर्ड से पूछो.